Hi, welcome to our channel. If you are new, here we share practical and science-based information for parents. In today's video, I'm presenting my conversation with Arnina Kashtan. She's an NVC trainer, TED speaker, and author about how we can start our own transformation as parents, how we can stop using the same patterns, the dysfunctional ways of parenting with our kids. And I personally think we need to start with ourselves, and at the same time I'm guilty because I tend to see the problem in my child, like he is naughty, he has tantrum, he has something, he is not convenient, there is no compliance. And I know that we have to start from ourselves, but it's so hard for me personally to make a first step. So I had a conversation with Arnina on how, on a very practical level, what we can start do differently to break these cycles of trauma, of neglect. I hope this interview will be useful. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And now let's welcome Arnina. What would be the couple of first steps someone could take if they sort of want to break this dynamic?
Yeah. So I want to say something very, very important, as almost a very deep principle. Don't try to do it when you are in the situation. No, this is too hard for the system to sustain because it's scary for the old brain to think I'm going to be different now. No. Okay. So all the changes that we want to make, we're going to do them outside the situation. So we can do either or. One, preferably, conversation with ourselves, and I'll give a tool right now that is super helpful. And later on, the second step would be to imagine my child, let's say if the child is the problem, inside of me. Like imagine myself as him or her, transforming the way I sense their experience inside of me. And then I go to the next conversation and we talk about specifically, the more we can, repeating situations that both of us suffer from. Usually there are quite a few repeating situations that we can look at what is the pattern there. And the first question is, what am I telling myself inside about it? Mm-hmm. And this question can lead to huge discoveries because we will notice very soon I'm telling myself that she is, I don't know, rude. I'm telling myself that I am a failure as a mother. I'm telling myself that he, my partner, is useless. I can never trust him. Okay, this is what I'm telling myself. Those are all forms of who is wrong. Yeah, the right wrong thinking is right here. Okay. The next thing, I breathe. This is part of my practice, okay? I breathe consciously because I want to slow down this thing and I want to create new wiring. I cannot do it when I'm fast. I cannot do it when I'm running out there, creating them enough money or or the right, no. It even can take only 5 minutes, but you will wire something different. And so the practice is once I'm asking myself, hey, what was I thinking? What am I telling myself is what I'm thinking, okay? The practice that I want to offer is I am hearing myself, telling myself that I'm a failure as a mother, and breathe. I'm hearing myself, telling myself that she is a lost case, and breathe. I'm hearing myself, or I notice that I yelled again at my boy. Breathe. That's it. Just observing. The observant is the chance for us to create the crack between the old, fast, automatic thinking that immediately affects my emotions and my body, the old way, repeating, and the crack that I can create there to slowly infiltrate something different. Choice. I don't have choice when I react automatically. There's no choice, only automatic. And this serves the old brain because, okay, I know what to do. I am going to yell now. I don't have a clear decision. It will happen. Okay? Or their tantrum, or their slash the door or whatever. It's all already automatic. So there's no chance to go in there and do something different. Let's do it outside the situation. Let's do the practice of I'm hearing myself or I notice, then the practice of imagining the body of the other in me. What is their experience when I am demanding? And then the conversation. And in the conversation, I usually start, you know, I've been thinking about you. And that is already, oh my God, she's been thinking about me. And it's true, because we're thinking about him or her. And I want to share with you something that I realized that I had not seen before. Are you open to hearing? They might say no because they know, okay, there is lecture again, no, okay. And so I might say this, you know, no, it's not the usual stuff. I can see what you mean, and I'm actually learning how to do this differently. I want to share with them my process. I want them to see me as human.